Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. As always, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on long division. I have a 4-digit by 1-digit long division problem. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So step 1, we want to divide by the smallest digit possible. So we're looking for the number within the number here. If we can divide by 1 digit, it is possible to divide it is sometimes possible to do 1 digit by 1 digit division to start it out. But the only rule is that the number inside the box has to be bigger than the number outside the box. So zooming in, here 1 digit by 1 digit division doesn't work because 7 is bigger than 6, and we need the number inside that we're starting with to be bigger than the number outside. Let me see if we can start off with 2 digits. 2 digits does work. 66 divided by 7. There will be a remainder there, but we can definitely get groups of 7 within the number 66. So I'm going to do is I'm going to skip count by 7s. I'm going to figure out how many groups of 7 I can get within 66. So here we go. 7. 14. So that's 2 groups of 7 so far. 21, 3 groups of 7. 28, 4 groups of 7. 35, 5 groups of 7. 42, 6 groups of 7. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. 49. 7 groups of 7. 56. 8 groups of 7. 63. 9 groups of 7. Now, if I go to 70, 70 will be too far. 70 is past 66. But if I count up my groups, if I count up how many times I had to count by 7, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 67 goes into 66 9 times. And 63 was the closest I got to 66 without going over. So we got to do 66 minus 63 to find our remainder here. Now the next step is we have to bring down the next digit. We're going to bring down the 0. We're going to figure out how many groups of 7 go into 30. Well, I'm getting an eraser. Type in the chat. If you know how many groups of 7 go into 30 without going over the number 30, write the number in the chat. Let me grab my eraser right quick. All right. So now I'm going to count by 7s again. I'm going to see how many groups of 7 I can get within the number 30. 7, that's 1 group of 7. 14, 2 groups of 7. 21, 3 groups of 7. 28, 4 groups of 7. Now if I count by 7 again, I will be at 35, and 35, that's too far. 35 would be past the number 30. So I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 7 within 30. And because 28 was as close as I could get to 30 without going over, I'm going to do 30 minus 28. 30 minus 28 equals 2. I'm going to bring down the 1 over here. And now I have to figure out how many groups of 7 I can get within 21. I don't even have to erase my groups and start over. I can just kind of erase 28 and 35. If I count by 7 3 times, 1, 2, 3, I get 3 groups of 7 within the number 21. And there is no remainder. So we have our final answer. 6,601 divided by 7 equals 943. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know if this video was helpful. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.